Orange fruit, a delicious and nutritious source of vitamin C. The orange is one of the most popular and widely consumed fruits in the world. Known for its sweet, juicy flavor and bright color, oranges are a delicious and nutritious addition to any diet. Oranges are not only tasty but also rich in vitamins and minerals that support good health, especially vitamin C. In this essay, we will explore the history of the orange, how it has grown, its health benefits, and why it is such an important fruit globally. Oranges have a long history that goes back thousands of years. The fruit is believed to have originated in Southeast Asia, specifically in regions like China, India, and Vietnam. From there, oranges spread to other parts of the world through trade routes. The Arabs were responsible for introducing oranges to the Mediterranean region, and during the 15th and 16th centuries, European explorers carried oranges to the Americas. Today, oranges are grown in many countries around the world, with Brazil, the United States, India, and China being some of the top producers. Oranges grow on small, evergreen trees that thrive in warm, subtropical climates. The trees have shiny, dark green leaves and produce fragrant white flowers in the spring. Oranges typically take several months to ripen, with the fruit changing from green to bright orange as it matures. Some varieties of oranges, such as Valencia oranges, stay green even when ripe due to warm temperatures. Oranges are usually harvested in the fall and winter, which is why they are a popular fruit during the colder months. There are many different varieties of oranges, each with its own unique flavor and characteristics. Some of the most popular types of oranges include navel oranges, Valencia oranges, and blood oranges. Navel oranges are known for their sweet taste and are often eaten fresh. Valencia oranges are used mainly for juicing because of their high juice content. Blood oranges, as the name suggests, have a deep red flesh and a slightly tart flavor. Oranges are widely enjoyed for their sweet and tangy taste, but they're also packed with nutrients that provide many health benefits. One of the most important nutrients in oranges is vitamin C. Just one medium-sized orange can provide over 100% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin C. Vitamin C is essential for a healthy immune system, as it helps the body fight off infections and heal wounds. It also acts as an antioxidant, protecting the body's cells from damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. In addition to vitamin C, oranges are also a good source of fiber. The fiber in oranges helps support healthy digestion by keeping the digestive system running smoothly. Eating oranges regularly can help prevent constipation and other digestive problems. Fiber also helps regulate blood sugar levels, making oranges a healthy choice for people with diabetes or those who want to maintain stable energy levels throughout the day. Oranges contain a variety of other vitamins and minerals that contribute to overall health. They are rich in vitamin A, which is important for healthy vision and skin. Oranges also contain potassium, a mineral that helps maintain healthy blood pressure and supports heart function. Folate, another nutrient found in oranges, is important for cell growth and is especially beneficial for pregnant women as it helps prevent birth defects. Another benefit of oranges is that they are low in calories, making them an excellent snack for people who are trying to lose weight or maintain a healthy diet. A medium-sized orange contains only about 60 to 80 calories, but it is filling because of its high water and fiber content. This makes oranges a great option for satisfying hunger without consuming too many calories. Oranges can be enjoyed in many different ways. They can be eaten fresh as a snack, added to fruit salads, or used as a topping for yogurt or oatmeal. Orange juice is another popular way to enjoy the fruit. Freshly squeezed orange juice is packed with vitamins and minerals, but it's important to drink it in moderation, as it can be high in natural sugars. Many people also use orange zest, the outer peel, to add flavor to baked goods, sauces, and marinades. In addition to their nutritional value, oranges are used in a wide range of products beyond food. Orange oil, extracted from the peel of the fruit, is used in perfumes, cleaning products, and even as a natural insect repellent. The scent of oranges is refreshing and uplifting, which is why orange essential oil is often used in aromatherapy to reduce stress and improve mood. The fruit's natural acidity also makes it useful for household cleaning, as it can help remove stains and grease. Oranges play an important role in the global economy. Millions of people work in the production, harvesting, and distribution of oranges. In many countries, especially in regions like Florida and California in the United States, orange farming is a major industry. The fruit is grown both for fresh consumption and for making orange juice, which is one of the most popular beverages in the world. Brazil is the largest producer of oranges and orange juice, exporting much of its production to other countries. Despite their many benefits, there are some challenges related to orange production. One of the main issues is the spread of diseases that affect orange trees, such as citrus greening disease. This disease, caused by a bacterial infection, can cause the fruit to become misshapen and bitter. It also weakens the tree, reducing its ability to produce fruit. Farmers and researchers are working hard to find solutions to combat citrus greening and protect orange crops. Another challenge is climate change. Oranges need a warm climate to grow, and changes in weather patterns, such as extreme heat, droughts, or frosts, can affect orange production. To address this issue, some farmers are adopting sustainable farming practices, such as using less water, planting trees to provide shade, and using organic methods to protect their crops from pests and diseases. In conclusion, oranges are a delicious and nutritious fruit that offers many health benefits. They are rich in vitamin C, fiber, and other essential nutrients that support the immune system, digestion, and heart health. Oranges are versatile and can be enjoyed in a variety of ways, whether eaten fresh, juiced, or used in cooking. While there are challenges in orange production, such as diseases and climate change, oranges remain a vital part of the global diet and economy. As more people continue to enjoy this fruit, its popularity and importance will only grow.